अब स्टूडेंट्स CMI 2023 का पेपर आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग pseudo codes of the two functions दिए हुए हैं. Okay, divided into two. It is v functions full u full 1u. So which of them are true? So करते हैं. So first one is false because since an odd integer is returns to odd integer ही आएगा. ठीक है. Second wala, so this is false. Second wala is true because starting with an odd integer, it adds that the number of result of full applied to an integer. So f double o 1 is 1, f double o 1 2 is 3. So now we can proceed by introducing to show that f double o 2 is an odd integer that computes u plus 1 divided by 2, and this one is an even integer that computes the same value. So in this way the last three can be the